With the new OnePlus 8T Pro coming up, will it offer better specs than the OnePlus 8 series? Let's find out. You might think that the OnePlus 8 series is perfect, but that's not the case. The OnePlus 8 Pro had many flaws, like the black crush issue and problems regarding the 5G networks. The latest key model of OnePlus 8 will be available in the market by the end of 2020, and all these problems and stuff will be patched up. With the OnePlus 8 Pro featuring a 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED display, we could expect displays of similar size on the 8T Pro. With the OnePlus 8 series, there was a slight increase in display from 6.55 on the regular OnePlus 8 to 6.7 on the Pro version. Along with that, there was an increase in refresh rate and resolution. We can possibly see the 8T series following the same trend. The batteries are no different from the displays. With the 8 Pro housing in a 4500 mAh battery and 30-watt wireless charging, we would expect the OnePlus 8T Pro to include batteries of almost the same size. But there is going to be one thing which is very different from the 8 series. Yes guys, it is the 65-watt fast charger. This is not the first phone offering a 65-watt fast charging technology. The Oppo Find X2 Pro and the Realme X50 offer the same. If you want to see the 8T series to feature the Snapdragon 500 chipset, all you need to do is click on the subscribe button followed by the bell. Just for your information, that chipset doesn't exist. Kidding aside, OnePlus 8T and the 8T Pro will feature the latest Qualcomm processor which was used in the Galaxy Note 20 series. Remember when I mentioned about the 5G issues with the OnePlus 8 series? All of those nasty problems will be repaired in the OnePlus 8T series. Performance might not be an issue, as we already know what the Snapdragon 865 Plus is capable of. Along with this chipset, the company will be offering minimum of 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Like most other flagships of this company, the phone will be displaying an on-screen fingerprint sensor. OnePlus is always in front of its competitors when it comes to Android updates and OS. We can expect the OnePlus 8T series to be the first phone running on Android 11. OnePlus nails their spot when it comes to the cameras, be it flagships or budget devices. While going through the codes of the camera app, there are hints regarding a 64-megapixel sensor. OnePlus may also stick with the same sensor like in the 8 series. And at the front, there is supposed to be a 16-megapixel selfie camera. It could be either under or on the display. Anyways, the cameras are always going to be great in these devices, so don't you worry. There is going to be a couple of variants for the 8T series with 128GB of storage and 8GB of RAM, or 256GB of storage along with 12GB of RAM. In terms of price, the OnePlus 8 starts at Rs 40,000 in India, while the 8 Pro starts at Rs 60,000. We would expect the OnePlus 8T and the OnePlus 8T Pro to come at approximately the same price. There is nothing special regarding the design and colors of the phone, so it is not worth mentioning. The 60 series was launched on November, whereas the 70 in September. That brings us to the conclusion that the 8T series will be released at around the same time. OnePlus 8T was spotted on the Geekbench with the nickname of Koba, which is used for Snapdragon 865 and 865 Plus. I will be making another video regarding the OnePlus 8T as soon as we get some more information.
With that being said, we have reached the end of today's video. If you have any suggestions, feel free to drop it in the comment section. And guys, if you want to see more phone related videos like these, then smash that subscribe button below this video. Until we meet again, this is Hari from Let's Review signing off. Stay tuned, stay safe.
But that's alright. Hush.